I'm going to do an install on LMM Duramax. It happens to be in a Kodiak chassis with a 73 Eldorado convertible on it, but it is still just a regular LMM. So if you come back to the passenger side valve cover all the way in the back, right here below the EGR, you look down, there's the fuel rail. Now on the back of the fuel rail is the fuel pressure sensor. And that is where we plug in line. So you just got to get in there. Usually, as you can see, the sensor, the clip is on the bottom. So never in the most convenient spot. So it takes a little bit to get in there. It may have looked easy, but I don't know, they weren't skilled. So it's just like our factory, just like the connectors that's in there, our harness is shaped the same way. So I'm going to take our harness, jump in there, plug that in line, and just make sure if the clip was facing down on the factory connector, then make sure ours is facing down as well. And same thing. So now you're going to take the other connector that came off of it, and you're going to plug that in line with this one, and just make sure, same thing. Here, you want to try holding that for me? Make sure after you plug these in as well, just give them a good tug. Make sure that it snaps in all the way. Same thing down here. You don't want to have to get in there later on when the engine's hot. You know, because it's a very simplistic device. You just want to make sure that it has a good connection. That's all. That's the biggest thing. Make sure it's not touching that EGR, and that's it. You know, you can just mount the module up into the side, run your switch, or personally, I just leave the switch under the hood. But done deal.